How do you make the textures and the materials on imported 3D scans in Maya not look shiny? Often, when you import OBJs that have a texture from a 3D scanner, it will come in by default with this super shiny appearance. This can be avoided by just changing a few settings in the materials in Maya. For example, here I have a very shiny material, and this one is a little bit more matte and more natural. If I click this material, and then in the attribute editor, this is the top right icon here for the attribute editor, and I move over to the OpenPBR surface, it'll have an incidence of refraction of 1.5. This is very shiny. If I simply change this to 1, this will knock down that shine, and now I have a basic matte texture. Of course, I can use incidence of refraction tables to set everything to be physically accurate, but this will at least get it to something that seems pretty reasonable and normal for an imported 3D scan. So hopefully this allows you to fix your shiny 3D scans in Maya. Happy 3D modeling.